that this Konkan Fruit Festival is going to be held on the 20th, 21st and 22nd. We are holding it at the Opinion Poll Square. It is being organized by the Botanical Society of Goa. Festival partner is V for Fatorda. We have some other people who are also supporting us, like the Department of Agriculture and other government departments. Local biodiversity preservation being the focus. आमची फळां जी आहा कोकणांतली फळां खूब वर्सां आमी आयकत आहात की कोकण म्हणटा तें कॅलिफोर्निया करूंक जाय म्हणून सो हें आयकत आहा आमी Now Konkan being a place and Goa being very much part of the Konkan region, our local fruits need to be, the farmers selling the local fruit need to get all the push. And that is why we are getting a little glamour to this festival, which otherwise also was organized very well. आणि गोंयची फळां ताजे पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट टेक्नॉलॉजीन जे कितें प्रोडक्ट्स आहा जेम्स फाल्यां काजू आहल्यार उर्राक सगळें हें आमी एंड टू गेट अ लिटल फन टू इट म्हळ्यार वी हॅव पूट अ प्रॉपर एंटरटेनमेंट कितें म्हणटा तें इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट फर्म सारकें घालून सगळीं गोंयची बँडां टॉप गोंयची बँडां आमी तिनूय दीस घाल्लीं आहा.
There are two issues about Kaju Feni which we need to pay attention to after getting the GI. One is it is classified as country liquor, so it remains in the state. The classification has to change to white spirit, like white rum or like vodka or like Desmond G, which is also bottled here in Goa, blended and bottled here. So if it becomes white spirit, then it can go anywhere in the country, anywhere abroad.